Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say, don't watch my background. So, welcome back. I just want to greet you. My name is Ruby Beauty Lifestyle. I does do hair care, skin care, beauty, natural product on my channel. So if it's your first time here, just want to welcome you to my channel. So we are in summer, and usually when it comes to summer, at my age, I try to use oil on my skin. I think that during the summer that lotion is too heavy for my skin. In the winter, I use lotion. In the summer, I switch my product. So here we have some oil in front of me today that I am going to really talk about. So we have the first one here. We have the Vaseline Sunlight Glow. And this is one I have here. I have two of them. So if I'm looking for glow on my skin, I use this. If I'm looking for shine, I use this one here. So these are the two that I use on my skin. Now, this one here, I'm gonna show you. It when you use this, you get a little bit of glow here, and you can see that this does give you some glow. So let's apply it to the back of my hand and see how it. So you see that really nice glow. So if you looking for an oil for the summer to give you that glow, I usually apply it here. This one here, I usually apply it right here. So I leave this part of me really glowy if I'm wearing like a tube top or a tank top. So I leave it here. So this is one of the oil that I am using for the summer. Now, this one here, I does use this mostly at night. I use this also, this one in the winter, because it has a little bit of thickness towards it. So I also use this in the winter, but I also can use this in the day. And I like these oil. They are very nice oil to have. For me, for my skin, I went to somewhere like a foot doctor, and they was asking me what do I use on my skin. My skin is so good, my foot bottom is so good. So this is something that I use usually on my skin. And this one here, this Vaseline Intensive Cocoa Butter Radiant Oil, it goes, a small amount goes a long way, you guys. So if you're looking for oil for your skin, this is oil that you don't have to break the bank to get them. Shoppers Walmart carry them. Walmart carry them. The beauty supply carry them. So you can get them there. So these are the oil that I am using for my summer. Okay, so let's talk about this. This is Avena. Love Avena oil, you guys. Very light, really light oil for the skin. Say for instance, if you don't like, because sometimes the summer get a bit hot and humid. So if you're looking for a really light oil for your skin, go to Avena, you guys. And I'm going to just see if I can put a bit of it here on my hand. I love the Avena oil for my skin also. And this is how the Avena oil look. It's a bit runny, so it's a bit like not thick. It's a bit more you can see it's, and the scent of it is amazing. It's a bit more lighter oil for the skin, which is really good for the summer. So whenever you apply this to your skin don't feel like cakey, and it just feel light and nice. So this is another oil that I do love, and for my skin during the summer holiday, during the summer, because as I said, the summer here is humid. It's when it get hot, it does get hot. And when it get humid, it really humid, you guys. I remember last year in the summer, I was trying to go outside. There's a couple of times I was trying to go outside, and I have to turn back to come back into my home because it was so hot I couldn't go out. So this is how these oil make your skin look here. Really glowing, nice, beautiful skin. So Let's talk about another one here. This is cake, and you guys, this smell amazing. This is an amazing oil for your skin. It's the richness of it. It's really nice. It smells good, rich and nutritious body oil. It really helped my skin have that really nice glow also. It smells good. This is a oil that you can use on your skin. It's from Cake, and I love this oil. I keep buying this oil. It's a bit on the runny side, but it smells really, really good. It gives your skin that really beautiful shine and glare, like your skin get really glowing. Use it. So this is another oil, very light oil. These two are so light for your skin, you guys. So if you're looking for a great oil in the summer, these are oil to go. If you don't want to get the Vaseline Radiant cocoa butter, you can get these are really nice. The only thing that these is a little bit pricier than this one here. This one is more on the lower affordable side, and these one are more on the a little bit higher, but it's not something for you to break the bank, so you don't have to worry about it. Then we are going to go in with this oil that I'm using also on my skin, and this is the turmeric oil, and this is something that I use on my skin. They said it's a whitening oil, but as for me, my skin don't really, I don't get my skin really white. I just use this oil on my skin because I love oil so much, and I like when my skin is toned with oil. So I always try to use oil, whether winter, summer. But when this summer come, I have something different for my skin. So this is a turmeric oil that I'm also using on my skin here, and they say within 7 days your skin change, and I have been using this more than 7 days. You see how far it is, and my skin look the same way. So it's not like I don't use it on my face. I mostly use it like on my hand, my body, because I like to oil after shower. I like to apply oil to my skin in the summer, and then in the winter when it get colder, I like to apply lotion, and then I apply oil over it. In the summer, I do not apply lotion on my skin, barely. I mostly use um, oil on my skin when the summer is around. So this is another oil that I have been using. Last but not least, you guys, this is rose hip oil. This is like a carrier oil, but I do use this on my face. And it can use on your hair also, but I use it on my face because I like to sometimes when I do my night care routine, I like to apply a little bit of oil before I put on my moisturizer. So this is another oil that I use. And I also have the pumpkin seed one that I'm using in my room. I use that. This is the color of it. And then you just put a little bit of drop here, and then you apply it to your skin. Rosehip oil is very, very good for the skin, you guys. So you don't have to break the bank to get a good oil for your skin during the summer or in the winter. So if you like oil in the winter and you like oil in the summer, it's okay. As for me, I use them both summer and winter, but right now for the summer I prefer to use just oil, no lotion on my skin, just oil. The oil that I'm using, it leaves my skin really nice, soft and glowy, so I prefer to use oil on my skin due in the summer. In the winter, I add lotion to my eyes. So if I'm using in the winter, I apply the lotion first on my skin after showering, and then I apply the oil over it. So I give my skin like more moisturizing, because in the winter your skin get dry, it tend to itch you. So I like to more give my skin more moisturizing in the winter. In the summer, I just go with oil, you guys. All these oil that I have in front of me, for me, it's a great pick. So tell me, what do you guys use for your skin in the summer? If it's oil or lotion, but as for me, I love oil in the summer. My skin feel great. It does work on my skin. So, and I just want to say thank you so much again. God bless you. Love you as always. Take care of yourself. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell. And when I do upload a video, you can be notified. And I want to say God bless you. And I will see you in my next upload. Bye.